Hello, welcome back to Serendipity's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super simple Egg McMuffin breakfast sandwich. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be notified of future videos. The ingredients you will need are 1 egg, 1 English muffin, mayonnaise, and condiments such as cheese, lettuce, and red onion. You will also need bacon. The first step is to cook your bacon. Next, cook your egg. I like to break my yolk so that when you bite into your egg sandwich, the yolk doesn't splatter everywhere. Once I flip it over, I go ahead and put my cheese on. Once you've cooked your bacon, cooked your egg, and toasted your English muffin, you can go ahead and spread some mayonnaise on your English muffin. Next, you add your egg. Next comes the bacon. You could just stop here with just the egg and bacon, but I like to add a little red onion and lettuce. And there you have it, folks, a delicious breakfast sandwich, an Egg McMuffin. Enjoy!